I'm going to call this segment Transform the Land. So, here is an area, as you can see, it's overgrown, it's pretty nasty. But it is an area between a naturally shaded area due to a lot of trees and what I want to make kind of like a natural flower garden. And then the start of some lawn and garden. And I had started, I guess, a couple of years ago, or last year maybe. I put these irises in, and they have actually grown and spread. And I have some others that I'd like to move up here. And I put a few daylilies in. Some are probably ditch lilies, and I know some of them aren't. I have so many daylilies that I need to spread around, so there'll probably be more popping up in here. And then this is a Rose of Sharon that I bought as a little twig a couple of years ago, and I put it in to have it start growing. It was protected with a cage. There was a sister plant that didn't make it because a deer ate it or something ate it, and it has a bramble around there that I need to dig out. And then we have this. I have some red buds that are coming up that are natural to the area. They're almost a nuisance plant here because they come up and spread so easily. This one's here. It's, as you can see, we'd lopped this one off at one point in time, but it's grown back up. I'm going to start, I think, to try to shape some of these, but this is one that had been lopped off at the ground last year, and it's already grown up. And just weeds and weeds and weeds. So I want to transform this area. If you have any ideas of things that would grow in Oklahoma that would look good in here, let me know and I'll drop them in. I'm a person that I like flowers. I do like interesting grasses and nice ornamental shrubbery, but I want to try to fix a all season garden interest area here as a focal point um, as we transition from the yard to the wilderness back there that eventually will be. This stand of trees right here, it's a long what we call a natural island here. We nickname it Snake Island because there's lots of snakes that live in there and they like to come out and sun themselves. But anyway, that's going to be it for this short little video as you see the start of this transformation. Hopefully, as the season progresses, you can see the work that goes. This will probably be a multi-year project because, I mean, it takes time to get weeds out. I do see right here that I have some little blackberries. I know that there's tons of them in there. There's a whole bunch over there. But I also have, excuse this nasty tree right here. I don't know if you can see the thorns on this tree or not. But we've started seeing these pop up everywhere, and evidently it is a black locust. And while the wood may be good, the thorns on the small ones aren't. And we have weeds galore. Anyway, that's it for this one, and hopefully I'll be able to give you some kind of a good update later on. Talk to you later. Bye.